Good morning. This is Debbie Jacobs with Coldwell Banker, the Marcus team. We're located in the Denver Tech Center. I'd like to invite you to an open house that I will be hosting this Saturday from 2 to 5 p.m. This property is a magnificent property located in the Huntington Pines neighborhood. The address is 9695 East Maplewood Circle, and the property has a little over 5,500 square feet, and the details are fantastic. Look at this outdoor space, and of course, super high ceilings. This property is a 5-bedroom, 5-bath, and I hope that you will come and join me. Love to see you. If you'd like to set a private showing, please give me a call. My cell phone is 303-587-7793. See you soon. Bye.